Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Rise internet service. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you want to cancel your Rise internet or Rise broadband, you need to contact their customer support team. Okay, so once you visit on the official website, you will get their phone number. Their phone number is mentioned on the top of the website, and once you dial their phone number, you need to make a request like you would like to cancel your internet services, and then they will cancel your service after verification of your account. Okay, they will ask you some details regarding your account. Okay, and after verification they will cancel your service. Okay, but the thing is, you need to pay some kind of fees in the form of sub cancellation charges. So you can see one customer is complaining like they need to pay $50 cancellation fee. Okay, so this is the thing. And if we talk about like when they are going to cancel your internet, please ask a proof of cancellation also. Otherwise you should have at least one proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.